Friends, is it just me, or did anyone else not know how magical Thailand is? Let's explore this country together. From untouched beaches and lush jungles to majestic temples and modern cities, Thailand has it all. Imagine yourself walking on the white sands of Phuket or diving into the crystal clear waters of Samui. Have you ever wandered through the ancient rainforests of Khao Sok, or admired the Emerald Buddha in Bangkok? The warmth and hospitality of the Thai people make the trip even more special. It's like stepping into a fairy tale. Thailand is not just a destination, it's a magical experience waiting just for you. It's like a trip to our own fairy tale, but with palm trees and coconuts. Ready for an adventure?